Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to do the I wanna be saved TikTok trend. With this tutorial, you will be able to follow this new trend and try it out yourself. The first step is opening TikTok. You will be taken to the For You page. The For You page is where recommended TikTok videos are shown to you. Let's go to the search bar at the top right corner of the screen. Now, search for what we're looking for, which is the I wanna be saved template. Now, pick a video and then tap on CapCut at the bottom. Then use template, and it's gonna ask you to add 2 of your photos and then you're done. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.